After releasing its first Lok Sabha list last week, the Congress now is all set to release the second list of candidates today, and this will happen after the poll committee meets. While the Congress announced the names of 14 candidates in its first list, it remains to be seen if any of the controversial leaders will be a part of the second list. What really to expect? Let's get in more details from Pooja. Pooja, by when are we looking at this announcement, and what are you hearing from your sources? Are we really expecting those tainted ministers to be back on the list?
Well, the CEC is going to begin at 12 p.m. here at 10 Janpath, and it is likely to continue for the next few hours. And of course, the main question remains about some of the tainted ministers and who've had, in fact, corruption charges against them, including Pawan Bansal, Suresh Kalmari, Ashok Chavan as well, or perhaps relatives of theirs. So therefore, this is one of the questions that remains. As of now, of course, the controversy remains because the names have not been announced, but could really there be an announcement by evening? As of now, it appears it is unlikely, but I can tell you that the discussion within the Congress party is very clear. They would want it to be a unanimous decision as and when any of these names are announced. In fact, Pawan Bansal's name was very strong with regard to Chandigarh as a constituency, but as of now, considering no official announcement has come forth, it remains to be seen if the Congress party would want to go ahead and use these names, because there has been within the Congress party as well, there has been some sections which have opposed to this idea of the sitting MPs being given tickets. But for the party also, it's not going to be easy to deny tickets to the sitting MPs, and therefore it could become a major political issue. But as of now, CEC going to begin at 12 p.m. It remains to be seen if the announcement comes by evening. Back to you.
Yes, Pooja, I'm just returning back to you, but before I do that, let's listen into how Manish Tiwari had reacted when we asked him that whether these tainted leaders should be back on the Congress's list.
We have been, over a period of time, trying to pursue a very aggressive politics of probity. As I mentioned, that we've taken the moral high ground over the past 5 years. In the last session of Parliament, we tried to push the anti-graft legislation through. So therefore, you know, if you look at it in a logical sequence, perhaps this is the next logical thing to be doing. However, as I said, you know, these are decisions which are taken in the Central Election Committee, and they are extremely wise and senior and influential leaders, experienced leaders who sit on this committee. So therefore, I think in their wisdom, they will take the totality of all these facts into consideration while arriving at an appropriate decision.